I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today I'm going to show you how to add a decorative scallop stitch to the hem of anything that you already have. This is a great little detail to add to a garment to give it a little extra spice, make it a little jazzier, add some personal style to it. So follow along and I'm going to show you how to add that scallop stitch to your hem. If you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. Also, don't forget I'm now teaching virtual sewing lessons and sewing lessons in person. Information for that can be found at sewinganastasia.com or click that link down below for sewinganastasia.com. I've pulled out a pre-existing blouse that I have and we are going to add the hot pink scallop to the hem of it. So let's select our scallop stitch on the sewing machine and get sewing. On the Designer Epic 2, we have a bunch of different scallop stitches we can select, and you'll notice what the stitch out looks like over to the left. So I'm going to be doing the standard scallop stitch, which is number 2, and also note that it says to put on the B foot. I'm going to be using the S foot. The S foot is the exact same as the B foot, only it's wider. And I really like using the S foot because it gives some extra pressure on the fabric around it. I'm going to line up the edge of my foot with the edge of my fabric, and I'm just going to guide my fabric so that way our scallop ends up even throughout the entire hem. Now I don't like the back stitch on these stitches because they're decorative, so I like to engage the fix button. If you have a fix button on your machine, make sure you engage it. That's going to create a little knot on the back of your fabric. Put down your foot and let's get scalloping. Are we looking? We are looking pretty good. When we get to the end, hit your fix and cut. Look at how beautiful this scallop turned out. So now grab your snips and we're going to cut off that extra fabric at the bottom of the scallop. So that way the hem of our blouse is going to be a scallop. Go ahead and snip into the shirt at any point. Now when you are cutting away the fabric, you really want to make sure that you're not cutting into those stitches, but you want to be really close to them. Since this is a series of zigzag stitches, your fabric is not going to keep fraying, it's not going to fall apart. Because think about it, sometimes we use a zigzag stitch to finish the edge of our fabric, right? So just go ahead and work your way around all of these scallops. We did it! Look how beautiful the scallop looks. This is such a great way to add an extra pizzazz to the hem of something. I just love doing this and it's so easy. Look how awesome this turned out. It is so cute. I'm loving it and I can't wait to wear it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below and I'd be happy to help you add a scallop to any of your projects. As always, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. Leave a comment down below so I know what you thought of the video. Give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and keep on sewing. And as always, make sure you follow me on social media on Pinterest and TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and all those fabulous social media websites so that way we can stay connected and inspiring each other. And don't forget I'm now teaching sewing classes in person and virtually. Find out information on that at sewinganastasia.com or click that link down below for Sewing Anastasia. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.